When King Hezekiah ruled the country, he was a good king and sought the advice of Prophet Isaiah alayhi salam. He listened and was obedient to Isaiah alayhi salam, and the Prophet advised him for the well-being of the state. The people loved him very much, and the country prospered under his rule. But the good times didn't last for long. One day the king fell sick, and his foot got infected as well. Sennacherib, the evil king of the nearby land, always attacked other countries and took control of their kingdoms. When Sennacherib heard that Hezekiah was sick, he decided to attack his country. Sennacherib marched with a large army of 60,000 men to attack Israel. The messengers ran to Hezekiah. "King Sennacherib of Babylon is marching towards us." The king was very worried. He knew that he couldn't face such a huge army, and he couldn't get out of his bed because of his infected foot. Prophet Isaiah alayhi salam heard the news of Sennacherib and soon arrived at the palace to meet the king. "What did Allah reveal to you about Sennacherib?" asked the king. "He has not yet revealed anything to me," answered the Prophet. The king was sad to hear this. That night, the Prophet received a revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The next day, he met Hezekiah and told him about his revelation. "You should appoint a successor, because your end is near." When the king heard this, he immediately turned to Qibla. He prayed, glorified Allah, invoked Him, and wept. "O Lord of Lords and God of Gods, O benevolent and merciful one, remember me for my deeds and my just judgment over the children of Israel, and all that was from you, and you know it better than I do. My open acts and my secrets are with you." Allah answered his prayers and had compassion on him. He revealed to Isaiah alayhi salam to tell him that he would extend his life for a further 15 years and save him from his enemy. That night, when the Prophet was praying, Allah revealed to the Prophet that he was going to extend the life of Hezekiah for another 15 years. God wanted him to extract the water of the fig and apply it to his sore. He also revealed that the king would be saved from his enemy. The next day, the Prophet rushed to inform the king about the good news. When the king heard about this, he was overjoyed. The king applied water of the fig to his sore, as he was commanded. It was a miracle. The sores got cured immediately. The king was happy now. He prostrated on the ground, praying, "O Lord, you grant mercy and answer the prayers of troubled ones." Then Allah sent death upon the army of Sennacherib. When Sennacherib woke up the next morning, he was shocked to find his entire army lying dead on the ground. All 60,000 of his men were dead, except for 5 of his companions. Hezekiah arrived with his soldiers and put them in shackles. He then took Sennacherib to his land and displayed him in public for 70 days to insult them. Every day, each of them was fed a loaf of barley bread and some water. After 70 days, they were confined in prison. Allah then revealed to Isaiah that the king should send Sennacherib back to Babylon so that they might warn their people. Hezekiah let them leave as commanded by Allah the next day. When Sennacherib returned to his people, he gathered all of them, including his ministers and advisors. He then told them about what had happened, how his soldiers were killed, and how he was shackled and displayed for 70 days. The priests and his magicians came forward and told the king, "We warned you before about their God and their prophets," they said. "But you did not listen," said another. "It is a nation which nobody can overcome." Sennacherib was afraid now, and he never ever thought of attacking the land of Prophet Isaiah alayhi salam again. According to Ibn Ishaq, when King Hezekiah of Israel died, the Israelites' condition deteriorated. There was political confusion, and their wickedness increased. Prophet Isaiah alayhi salam preached to them what Allah revealed to him, directing them to righteousness and warning them of Allah's punishment. His preaching made him their enemy, and they decided to kill him. The Prophet was forced to leave his country and seek shelter elsewhere. Did you like the video, kids? Please click the like button if you did. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification icon to keep updated on all our videos. Insha'Allah, I will tell you